Okay. There we go. Hey, welcome back to the Car Doctor channel. All right, thought I'd begin the video with a little bit of levity since the rest of this video and really the whole look and feel of the Car Doctor channel is going to be a bit different for a while. I realize it's been a minute and going to explain that. First off, I need your help and give you a little backstory. November 24th of last year, just before this last Thanksgiving, I received a diagnosis of chronic myelomonocytic leukemia. We'll call it CMML since the auto tech industry world is more familiar with the acronyms used, and common disease among auto techs. Usually men who have worked in the field or been exposed in petrochemical industry to benzenes, typically in their mid to late 70s before it's diagnosed. Some good news to report. We have the world's leading expert in the disease on our side, Dr. Putnike at Mayo Clinic in Rochester, Minnesota, has seen me and has taken an interest in my case. He's recommended the best course of treatment to be a stem cell transplant. Unfortunately, that procedure is not available here in Alaska. We don't have the facilities for that. It's a pretty intensive process. Actually requires me living near Mayo Clinic for 3 to 6 months and probably not working for up to a year. So I really enjoy helping people with their auto repair issues. We run our shop here, live next door, and it's been a super big blessing to us. I also enjoy making DIY videos on YouTube and helping people out across the globe with car repair tips and whatnot. And I want to get back to that, but in the meantime, I need your help so I can bridge the financial gap that I face, requiring me to leave the state and quit working for up to a year. In order to bridge that gap, I have a friend who has created a great GoFundMe page on my behalf where I can be the beneficiary of your generosity. If everyone would give just a little bit, I can bridge this gap and get the help I need and get back to doing what I love doing. We have a grandchild, number 10, on the way this fall, and I still want to be investing in that legacy, as well as my customer base here, and of course the viewers and techs that I interact with on this platform. It's been a little bit of a rough road the last few years with this undiagnosed condition. It's thrown a little bit of a wrench in the works as far as having the ability to create a bunch of content for my channel, and apologize for that, but I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to be around doing this for years to come. All right, I'm going to drop a link to the GoFundMe page at the description of this video and ask that you please go check that out. Consider how you would support us in this time of need. Please share on your social media, on your YouTube, Instagram, wherever you have some influence, make a video yourself. The Car Doctor needs your support during this time. And I'm gonna go get well and get back to making content like this, and of course helping my customers with their auto repair needs. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and check out that GoFundMe page, and I wish you all the best. God bless.